one of my friends.
Stay seated. Southpaw in the aisle. We're not getting through that, Southpaw. Scoot back. Southpaw, my main man. This is my buddy. Southpaw. I'm never gonna take pictures with him because he doesn't like me, which is fine. I'm different. Southpaw's different. We're all different, right? We're all different. Is it okay to be different? Yeah. What's something? Oh, look at Southpaw found their friends. Southpaw, say hi to all our friends. Everyone say hi to Southpaw. Hi, Southpaw. Look at Southpaw. Southpaw, come on over here. Look at Mr. Southpaw. What do you notice? What's different about Southpaw? What's different? Raise your hand. I'm going to call on people. What's different about Southpaw? What's different? You in the White Sox jersey. Yeah. He's fuzzy. He is very fuzzy. What? You are? Other people can be fuzzy. Usually it's like guys that have fuzzy arms. Right? Dogs are fuzzy. Animals are fuzzy. What else is different about Southpaw? What do you see about him that's different? We're talking about differences, so it's okay to make these observations. I'm asking a question, it's okay. What do you see about Southpaw that's different? What do you see? He looks kind of like a frog. Yeah. People ask me all the time, what is Southpaw? And I tell them, a frog. No, I'm just kidding. He's not a frog. I tell them he's a fuzzy green dude. Well, lucky for you, Southpaw, I brought it in. Yeah, right? See, right? There you go. All right, Southpaw, put those on, however they work. Southpaw brought baseball pants. Oh. Yeah. That's better, Southpaw. We're gonna play a game, but I need some more volunteers. Hands up! Big smiles, I want to see your teeth. Come on up. How about, this guy in the gray sweater, yep. You in the white and green. You in the pink. You in the red. You're going all the way up. You go stand on the mat. You with the White Sox shirt. How many do we got, Southpaw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do you know what? Since it's your special day, Miss Sophie, it's her birthday. We're gonna pick Sophie. Lucky her. And is that a hand up in the air? Are you smiling? Do you have teeth in there? All right, come on up. Here we go first. Timmy, I want you to shoot the ball. All right, Timmy. After you shoot, we're gonna get a little prize. So you can pick something out of this box. One thing, they're all the same. Go ahead and grab one, my friend. Thank you, Timmy. Go sit down.
Sit down on your bottom.
Next, Miss
Sit down.
Sophie. I know, I can read your sign. Throw it. Oh, good shot. Try it again. Hey, nice shot. Go ahead and grab a prize. Do you want white or gray? I know. Yay! And next. Oh, thank you, my man. Thanks, Timmy. Isabella. Southpaw, look how close you are. He made that really easy on you. Go ahead and grab one. Nice shot.
Wow. Tough crowd. Sit down on your
And,
bottom.
oh, can you throw that far? Can you throw that far? Give it a shot. Hey, Southpaw, you don't even try. That was a great try. Give it another shot. Hey, nice shot. Go ahead and grab a t-shirt. Awesome toss. You are a little bit bigger, a little bit taller, Southpaw. What do you think? Backwards? Oh, is. Nice toss, my friend. Thank you. What's your name? Shannon. Up to bat. Actually, to pitch. Southpaw drops his pants. Those are not going in if you can't throw it in. Southpaw, you gotta hold on. Hold on, Southpaw. Hey, what do you say? Off the backboard. Nice shot. Thank you. Do you play baseball? All right, come with me. Come on back. Right here from the red block. You got this. Wait till I'm out of the way. And go.
All right.
Hey, nice shot. Everybody. Do you play softball? Do you play baseball? Do you play chess? Oh, perfect. Come on, step back. All right, give it a good toss. You got this. You got this. That was Southpaw's fault. He didn't even. Give it another shot. Oh, look at that! Straight in. Good shot. Go ahead and grab a t-shirt. Good luck. Do you play tennis? No, not tennis. Diving?
Hey, the softball players back
You
there.
swimmer? Ride a motorcycle? Man, I'm way off. Usually I can be better at this. Well, let's just give her a shot. Southpaw, you're up. Southpaw? What happened? That was Southpaw's fault. Here, give it another shot. Ready, Southpaw? Here it comes. Hey! Good shot! And last but not least, who's this? Who's up? Okay, Southpaw, you take care of this one. You know what to do. All right, here we go. Everyone, let's clap for him. Here we go. It's revised from a book, Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon, by Patti LaBelle. Southpaw looked like a giant as he stood next to his dog. But he didn't mind. He was also the tallest boy in school. His grandma told him, "Walk as proudly as you can, and the world will look up to you." So he did. So proud. Southpaw has a gigantic nose that stuck out so far. He could even stack pennies on it. But he didn't mind. His grandma told him, "Smile big, and the world will smile right along with you." And so he did. See those teeth? See? Southpaw has teeth, you can see them. Southpaw has a voice that sounds like a bullfrog being squeezed by a slimy snake. Ugh. We need some hand sanitizer. But he didn't mind. His grandma told him, "Sing out clear and strong, and the world will cry tears of joy." So he did. It's beautiful, Southpaw. Southpaw was often fumble-fingered. He didn't mind. Oh, he's gonna show you something. What are you gonna show him? Oh, you wanna clap, 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 clap? All right, Southpaw, let's see what you got with your fumble fingers. And here we go. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Fumble-fingered Southpaw. That's okay, my friend. Remember what your grandma says? Believe in yourself, and the world will believe in you too. Then one day, Southpaw had to move to a new school, a new town, new friends. He had to say goodbye to his grandma and all of his friends to start his new school. Everyone say bye, Southpaw. Bye, Southpaw. I miss you. Bye. Drive home safe. All right, now we have to pretend we're a brand new school that Southpaw is going to come out to. So when he comes out, he's going to be a new student, okay? All right, friends, we have a new student today. His name is Oh, he's a little shy. His name's Southpaw. Can everyone say hi to Southpaw? Southpaw, say hi. Oh yeah. Wave hi. Well, welcome to your first day of school. On his first day, Rhonda Durkin called him
Bigfoot.
in gym class. When the game started, Southpaw caught the baseball. It's gonna be good. I said Southpaw caught the baseball. I said Southpaw caught the baseball. He ran into the legs of Rhonda Durkin and tagged home plate and made the out. All the children thought, wow, he is so good. And Rhonda Durkin felt very foolish. Let's always remember we have to be kind. Rhonda called him Bigfoot. We have to remember that we need to be kind. Let's say that together. 1, 2, 3. Let's say it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Very good. We need to be kind to each other. Our friends, the people who might not be our friends, people we know, we need to be kind to everybody. On the second day of school, Rhonda Durkin called him
Big nose green boy.
So Southpaw took out his pennies and he stacked 10 high on his nose. Yeah, let's see. Make sure we're sitting. 1, 2,
On your bottom. Sit on your bottom.
3,
On your bottom. Sit.
10. Nice job, Southpaw. Look at that. His nose is big, it's different. But he has a cool trick he can do. He can stack 10 pennies on his nose. All the children thought, wow, he is so cool. The child, after Southpaw stacked the pennies on his head, he smiled as big as day, and all the children smiled with glee. But Rhonda, again, felt kind of foolish for calling Southpaw Big Nose Green Boys. Not only do we have to be kind to others, yeah, that's beautiful. Should we get one of those? Yeah, we should get you one of those. Not only do we have to be kind to people, we're not supposed to bully, so we don't bully. Everyone say that with me, don't bully. 1, 2, 3. Say it again with me, 1, 2, 3. And last time, 1, 2, 3. We need to be kind. Don't bully our friends. On the third day of school, Rhonda Durkin said,
You sound like a sick cow. Moo, moo.
So Southpaw said, so clearly and so strong that it made Rhonda Durkin somersault backwards, hit her head, and have to go to the nurse. Oh. Rhonda Durkin didn't feel very foolish. She felt hurt this time. Telling Southpaw you sound like a sick cow is not very nice. We need to be kind. Don't bully and respect others. Say that with me, respect others. 1, 2, 3. One more time, 1, 2, 3. And last time, but whisper it as soft as you can. Great listening. We need to be kind. Don't bully. We need to respect others. On the fourth day of school, Rhonda Durkin said that Southpaw made the snowflake all wrong. But then Southpaw held up his snowflake and revealed the most beautiful snowflake any of us have ever seen. That's a great snowflake. Yeah.